My name is Cindy and this is the X10. There are plenty of videos on this website for you to see how the X10 works. What I wanted to do was sit here and tell you my X10 story. I had surgery in January, and after 6 weeks of hands-on physical PT, only got to 72 degrees range of motion. Went for my checkup with my surgeon. I was told that if I did not hit 98 degrees by the time of my next checkup, that he would, quote, put me under, take me back, and readjust my knee. After 6 weeks of physical therapy and I was getting nowhere, I just kind of threw up my hands and said, I'm going to my beach house. So I got away for a week, and some friends at my beach house saw that I was struggling. And one of them said, Cindy, what are you gonna do? I said, I don't have a clue. She had a friend that had both knees replaced, not at the same time, and was just thriving. She said, I'm gonna text her and ask her what that means. So her friend texts back and says, yeah, tell her there's a name for that procedure. It's called an MUA, manipulation under anesthesia. And she does not want it. So I went to bed that night with my laptop in hand and Googled MUA. Knew I did not want to have it. Only 80%, unless statistics have changed since my research, only 80% successful. At the rate I was going, I figured I was going to fall in the 20%. And they say that the medications that you have to take and the recovery is worse. It's almost as worse as the surgery itself. So very discouraged, I found myself one of those statistics that said, I wish I'd never done this and I'll never do my other knee. So then I started Googling alternatives to MUA, and I ran across the X10. You get a little packet of paperwork. I put mine in journal form of your journey on the X10. And this is I'm looking at my page of my sessions. My first, when the machine was set up in my house, I was at 50 degrees. That's how much I digressed from 6 weeks of physical therapy to setting a week later and setting up this machine. 50 degrees when they set up my machine. My first session, I got to 56, just thumbing through my pages, and I missed 10 days. I've had this machine 4 weeks, maybe 5, and I travel some, so I had missed 10 days of this having this entire thing. Yesterday, I had my checkup with my surgeon, and I am happy to say that my last session before I went for my checkup, 110 degrees. The X10 changed my life. I mentioned it to my surgeon, and he immediately started Googling it. And I said, Doc, I hear that surgeons aren't really like pro the X10. And he said, why would I not be pro something that helped you? I don't like doing MUAs. He's a great Christian guy, and I just admired that he said that. So X10 is probably going to be hearing from my surgeon. And again, yesterday was my checkup, and 110 degree range of motion. Thank you, X10.